It seems like we have a lot of people, so let's get started. So, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our third community call. My name's Tiff, and I'll be your moderator today. Eddie, you want to give a quick intro about yourself?
Yeah, of course. I know we have a lot more new faces in the audience, so for those of you who don't know me, I'm Teddy. I'm leading all of our go-to-market strategies here at Plume. And for those of you who are, not as familiar about Plume, we are an EVM L2 that's dedicated towards real-world assets. So what makes our chain different is that we provide all the infrastructure needs for any type of RWA project to deploy their assets. And on top of that, we have a very crypto native team that came from large ecosystems like Binance, Layer Zero, and Coinbase. So we have built all these ecosystem initiatives before, and we've brought them over to Plume to support our projects. And yeah,
Wow, that's
that's
amazing. Yeah. And honestly, I feel like we post on Twitter all the time. So maybe you want to give us some of the latest updates that's been happening, because so that everyone can understand what's going on.
yeah, definitely. I would say there's a few there's a few updates since we last met. On the asset deployment on the tech side, we are finalizing our RWA launcher, and we've posted a teaser about it on Twitter. What that is basically our tech stack to facilitate any end-to-end deployment of any real-world asset. So if you're an issuer, you can come to Plume's website. You can choose, which parameters you want based on token standards or what integrations you might need for your specific asset class, and you can easily deploy using our tokenization engine. On the ecosystem side, our team and Tiffany has been working really hard on creating our Plume Flight program. I definitely suggest you guys check it out, especially if you guys are building the space. Basically, the Plume Flight program is, I don't, how do I phrase this? So basically, a few weeks ago, we announced our Discord, or sorry, our Twitter ecosystem map, and there were a bunch of tech partners on it. And what we've done is we've gone back to all the different tech partners and negotiated a discounted price, basically credits for, their specific offering if you choose to build with Plume. So as of now, we have a lot of major partners. Actually, I'll talk about it a bit later, but that's the high level. And I think the last update is that we're running a lot of campaigns with a lot of our partners. So our latest campaign with BitGet Wallet, has seen a lot of participants. I would say this campaign is very unique in the sense that BitGet Wallet gave our community BitGet points to farm by using our campaign, and on top of that, our team started implementing our Plume Points system. So for those of you that are here, this is definitely the early alpha because it's not announced yet, but Plume Points are being directed towards our BitGet Wallet campaign. So definitely I recommend you guys to check out the campaign and stay alert, whether it's on Twitter or on Discord for our future campaigns, because we'll be driving a lot of Plume Points there as well.
Yeah, I'm super excited. I think the Big Get Wallet campaign is going well so far, and our Plume Points are definitely something you guys want to check out, especially if you guys are farming a lot of stuff. So, definitely that's the alpha. Yeah, and Teddy, I know you briefly mentioned about the Plume Flight program. Maybe you can name a couple of partners and exactly what it is.
Yeah. So basically, like I mentioned at a high level, we've partnered with a lot of our, infra partners from day one. So these are, partners in the auditing space, the wall as a service space, on and off ramps, different oracles, different marketing agencies, compliance solutions. And basically, we have over 35 major partners. And what we've done is worked out special deals with them so that if you're a builder in the Plume space and need discounts depending on what you're building, you can easily go to our Plume flight program on our website and you can apply, and we will basically match and pair you with whoever you need to get in touch with. So honestly, it's a great way to get started, especially if you are, first building your product and you're in the early stages.
Yeah, yeah, I would say definitely go check out our website because, like Teddy said, if you're pretty new to building in this space, you might not have all the introductions and costs can get very expensive. So we offer a lot of discounts to our ecosystem projects that, other chains might not have. And so we're always really happy to help. So definitely, check it out. Let us know if there's anyone you want to get connected to. And, along with those announcements, we just recently posted about hiring. Maybe Teddy, you can tell us a little bit more about it.
Yeah, yeah. So, this is a really exciting point for Plume. I would say that over the last 4 months, we've grown a lot externally, but because of that, naturally we need to grow more internally, and our team is working basically 24/7 around the clock to push our product and to, ship exciting announcements for you guys. But as of recently, we've opened two new roles, specifically on the engineering side. We're looking for a full stack engineer and a back end engineer. So definitely suggest you guys check out the post if you're interested in joining. And obviously, besides the engineering side, we will be opening a new round of ambassadors soon on the community side. So definitely check it out. It's on our Twitter page and share it with your friends. And we're a fully remote company, but obviously, since a lot of us are, in North America, we kind of prefer to work on the same time zones. But yeah, definitely open to anyone who is a great fit for us.
Yeah, come join and hang out with me and Teddy. I promise we're a pretty fun team and we have a really fun culture.
Yeah.
So yeah, yeah, check out our Twitter if you want to learn more about our roles. There's a form that you can fill out and send to your friends if you know any engineers who are looking for something. We would love to chat with them. And finally, I guess like what's next on the conference route? I know we recently went to, Digital Asset Summit and ETH Taipei along with ETH Denver, which felt like so long ago. But what's next on the list?
Yeah, seriously, it feels like we've been we've been all over the globe and in a short amount of time. But I think what's next for us, Tiff, is so I'm based in New York. This week is NFT NYC. We'll be here. I would say probably towards the end of the week, we'll be going to more events. But coming up in 2 weeks is Token 2049 in Dubai, and a majority of our team will actually be there. So if anyone in the audience wants to meet us in real life, we have a few events we'll be broadcasting soon. But yeah, a lot of us will be there, and I would say, what's next for us as a company on the roadmap is. Um, we are gearing up for our incentivized testnet. We'll be working with a lot of different partners, ecosystem projects, and other like social partners on building out this testnet campaign. Um, and I would say that the timeline for that is basically after our fundraise. So keep an eye out for this, guys, because this is definitely, if you guys are here, this is early. So I would say we're aiming for early May, but we'll keep you guys updated on that.
Amazing. Yeah, I think NFT.NYC will be super fun. I personally won't be going myself, but if you are there, you can go hang out with Teddy.
Yeah, yeah, I'll be here. I'll be here. So hit me
Yeah.
up.
Mhm. I guess like those were most of our updates here. If you have any questions, please drop them in the chat and we'll go through and pick a couple. I think the first question is, do you guys do internships? Um, mm, yeah. Teddy, do you want to answer that?
Yeah, actually, we have been open to it. I think it depends more so on the role. But if that's something, everyone is interested in, we can definitely look to do internships on like the community side, even on the BD and marketing side. So yeah, definitely please reach out to one of us on Discord about that.
Yeah, I would say like if you want to hang out and learn more about marketing and community, definitely come hit up myself and Victor. We love to chat. I think right now everything's just on a case by case basis. So if you have someone interested in an internship, we have always loved to kind of get to know and hop on a call to say hi. Another question is, let's see, are users able to run nodes?
Right now, users can run nodes and we can circulate our Git book, but since we are in L2, it's the incentivization is definitely more geared towards running nodes for an L1, but there is more information on this that we can circulate. Actually, I'll circulate this in the chat right now.
I got it.
You got it? Okay, cool. But yeah, definitely if you guys are open to it, we have all the instructions here that Tiffany just posted.
Yeah. I think people are always asking about airdrop. What can we tease out, Teddy?
Oh God. I would say, definitely stay up to date with everything that we're posting on Twitter, especially about our future campaigns. We are allocating, Plume points to our partner campaigns and especially to our main campaigns. And like I said, once our incentivized testnet is launched in early May, I would say definitely stay up to date with everything. We'll be launching a lot of initiatives, and it'll be a great way to start gathering Plume points.
Yeah, I would say definitely if you don't follow our Twitter, you definitely should because I pretty much announced a lot of exciting campaigns, and there are a couple that are coming up soon. So just check it out. We haven't posted anything about those yet, but there are going to be some fun ones out there. So definitely follow us on Twitter. And I think those were all of the questions. I don't know, Teddy, if there's anything else you wanted to mention.
No, I think that's about it. I would say, Tiffany and I and Victor, we want to do these more often because there's a lot of updates that we want to share with you guys. So I would say, definitely stay up to date with everything on Discord and on Twitter, and on our Telegram so you don't miss the next community call. But yeah, I mean, there's a lot of exciting stuff happening. So we'll keep you guys in the loop. I would say early May, and yeah, I would say stay up to date with our latest campaigns, our future campaigns, and in early May, definitely stay close to what we update you guys with.
Amazing. I think last thing from me is, thank you everyone for joining the community call. If you want to claim your oat, remember that you'll check out Galaxy. And if you have any questions or struggling to claim your oat, you can open a ticket, and our moderators, will be there to support you. So thank you everyone. See you guys on the next call.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.